how to register for the courses. Hi guys! Now that we are done with the payment, the next step for us is to register for courses. Go to the student portal and log in. Now go to the study section. Here you are, registration for the courses link. Press course registration for new course for 2025. This is the form to fill in and confirm. Now you see the registration table. Choose General Education Requirements and click on the registration button. Here you are, the list of courses. There is the one you need or want. Press the button under the schedule and choose any section, time slot and the instructor. Remember, the section you've chosen and selected under the lecture are all here. Once done, scroll down and press the Submit Registration button. Do this for all the other courses you want to take. You're done! Congratulations! Check your schedule in the Studies section in My Class Schedule for 2025.